I just picked up this John Deere lawnmower. The guy I bought this thing from said this thing ran about 2 years ago, but this thing does nothing right now. So let's get this thing running so we can cut some grass. This thing does have a battery, but this thing is unhooked and it's probably dead. Luckily, I have new batteries, so let's pop this thing in here. Well, I got that battery hooked up, so let's turn this key and see if anything happens. No way. Now let's take this air cleaner off and throw some gas on the carburetor and see if this thing will fire up. Well, here goes nothing. Let's put some fresh gas in this fuel tank and see if this motor will stay running. Let's go, man. No way. Well, this thing runs and drives and the mower deck works. So let's go try cut some grass. Well, there you have it. This thing actually cuts grass. Well, that's going to be it for this video. So thank you guys for watching and we'll see you guys later.